This is a story of two very different people. The first is Jay Samit, a globally successful CEO who has held major positions at record labels and Fortune 500 companies. Through over 40 years in the business world, he's worked with the likes of Steve Jobs, LinkedIn founder Reid Hoffman, Bill Gates, and many more. Unlike most in the guru space, Jay has actually done it. His first book, Disrupt You, was an international bestseller translated into 13 languages. For his new book, Jay wanted to prove without doubt that anyone could become future-proof and make $1 million. Enter person number 2. This is Vin Clancy, a British guy who looked like this and who had just moved to America hoping to make it as an entrepreneur with no contacts, clients, or clues about how to be successful. You'll learn how Jay used the principles in this book to help Vin make $1 million in his first year in America. If you want to do the same, the book is available now on Amazon with a foreword written by Tom Bilyeu. Future-proof yourself by getting this book.